quirky things about Chinese people. Sometimes Chinese people have this incredible, amazing ability to sleep anywhere. You'll see people sleeping on the streets and all kinds of places. There's also these kind of soft massaging chairs and stuff. You'll see people having a good old snooze on those too. Just passing the time, having a snooze. Chinese people can sleep anywhere, honestly. So China's a pretty competitive place in terms of, you know, selling products, because everyone is selling the same thing. And outside shops and shopping malls and shopping centres, you'll often see a salesperson standing on the outside of each shop, just like you're seeing here. If business is reasonably busy, they'll just stand there. If business is quiet, you'll actually hear them calling out, and they're literally saying, "Come into my shop, come into my shop." Oh, this place is so fucking noisy. Dongmen. Yeah, make noise. Attract me to your shop. More noise. Come on, be quiet. 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 Silence. Oh, there's the police coming past. Patrol. These underground shopping malls in China, they make them like mazes. Like, you're literally in a maze. So if you ever have anyone ask, what's a wet market? This is a wet market. You can tell why it's a wet market. You've got fruit and vegetables, fish, meat, just about anything. And a lot of the food here is not the cleanest. It's really not. And you don't really want it to sort of sit on the shelves for too long. And one of the other problems here is the whole food safety thing. I mean, you don't know really about the quality of the soil and stuff, and the use of pesticides and insecticides that's gone into growing these vegetables you see for sale here in the wet markets. And that's, you know, why a lot of Chinese will just boil everything. When it comes to vegetables, boil everything. That's the golden rule, boil everything. That was the Chinese wet market. Gotta get rid of this beard. Jeez, it's becoming so annoying.
Wow, you're shaving! Unbelievable!
Well, you know, I've got to get rid of it, it's getting annoying.
Oh! Good. Pretty good.
Oh, you happy about that, huh?
Yes, I am. Good.
How to make a wife happy.
You look younger.
Get rid of your freaking beard.
You look much younger.
I'm born again. Okay, so it's taken several years, but I finally found it. This is an elevator in China with no fourth floor. because 4 is 4, which sounds like death. So some elevators, some hotels don't have a number 4, and this one doesn't.